tau, where a is a constant vector coinciding in direction with the axis. See in figure, this is the figure. You can see that a vector is heading in horizontal direction. That means it is coinciding with x-axis. Okay, because we are taking this is x-axis and this is y-axis. That means this is I cap, this is j cap. Okay. Next, it is given that tau is a unit vector coinciding in direction with the velocity vector at a given point. Means at this point, tau is coinciding with velocity vector and it is a unit vector. Its magnitude is 1. So velocity is always in this direction now, because it is given that particle moves in one direction along a given trajectory. So it is moving in this direction. The question is, find how the velocity of the particle depends on x, provided that its velocity is negligible at the point x is equal to 0. Okay. So we are considering this is I cap direction and this is j cap direction. A vector is heading in this direction. That means we can write a vector as a I cap plus 0 j cap. Okay. Next, tau cap is the unit vector heading in this direction. That means if we resolve the component of tau cap in horizontal direction and in vertical direction, then we can see that let us take this angle is theta. Okay, that means the component of tau cap in this direction is how much? Tau cap cos theta, and in this direction, vertical direction, is how much? Tau cap sin theta. We can write this tau cap vector as tau cap cos theta I cap sin theta j cap. Okay, so the magnitude of this unit vector is 1. That means simply this is cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. Given that tangential acceleration omega t is a vector dot tau cap. So omega t is a vector dot tau cap. If we dot product these two vectors, then what can we get? I cap dot I cap is equal to 1. I cap dot j cap is equal to 0. So simply multiplying this, we get a into cos theta. We also know that tangential acceleration is derivative of this velocity with respect to time. So dv by dt is equal to a cos theta. Okay. Let us divide ds and multiply ds. Okay. So ds by dt is equal to v, we know. That means here I am writing dv by ds into v is equal to a cos theta. Cross multiplying this, we get v dv is equal to a cos theta into ds. Okay, so here we have get ds cos theta. So let us consider ds at this portion. Okay, this much portion, let us consider it as ds. Okay, so this angle is theta. That means for only this much portion, this is dx and this is dy. Okay, so this angle is theta means dx is how much? ds cos theta. As we have considered, let us take this is v. So its velocity in horizontal direction is how much? v cos theta, and in vertical direction is how much? v sin theta. Similarly, if we resolve this ds, then we know that this has covered dx displacement in horizontal direction and dy displacement in vertical direction for this much portion, because we have considered this much portion as ds. So this angle is theta. That means dx is how much? ds cos theta. And dy is how much? dx sin theta. So from this diagram, we get that dx is equal to ds cos theta and dy is ds sin theta. So here we have got ds cos theta. Simply we can put here a into ds. Integrate this. A is constant. We take it outside. So integrate this from 0 to v and this from 0 to x. So we can get v square by 2 is equal to a x. So v is how much? 2ax root over. So we have got here the velocity depending on x. Okay. So the next question is, a point moves along a circle with velocity v is equal to 80, where a is equal to 0.50 meter per second square. find the total acceleration of the point at the moment when it covered n is equal to 0.10 of the circle after the beginning of the motion. Okay, so this is a circle. A point, let us say, start from this point and covers this much path. This is the center of the circle. This is radius. So if the point covers the full circle, then this will be 2 pi r. Only this much circle means nth of the circle. That means n into 2 pi r. It covers only this much path. So v is equal to 80. It is given. How can we find the tangential acceleration? Simply by derivating it with respect to time. So this will be constant, that is a 0.50 meter per second square. This is constant. It is given in the question. Next, centripetal acceleration is how much? The acceleration along this direction is how much? Tangential acceleration is along the tangent of this circle. But centripetal acceleration is how much? We know v square divided by r. So v is 80, a square p square divided by r. Okay. So v is equal to 80. If we take only this much of distance, let us consider it as ds. So ds is how much? V into dt. At initial point t is equal to 0, that means velocity also 0. So velocity is changing with time. So we can put it as a into t into dt. Put the value of v, 80. If we integrate this, then what can we get? Let us say 0 to, let us consider this as s. Okay. So s, this is from 0 to t. Let us again assume the point takes t time to cover this much distance. Okay. So this will be s is equal to a t square by 2. So t square is equal to how much? 2s divided by a. S is how much? n into 2 pi r. That means 4 pi r n divided by a. We get t square as this much. Simply put this t square in this position. What we get? A square into t square is this much, 4 pi r n divided by a into r cancel out, a cancel out. So what we get from this? 4 pi n a simply. So tangential acceleration is 0.50 meter per second square. It is constant. Centripetal acceleration is also constant. We get, how to get total acceleration? Omega is equal to omega tangential plus omega centripetal square. Because the angle between tangential and centripetal acceleration is 90 degree. So simply root over of square of both of these terms. So this will be 4 pi na whole square. First 0.50 whole square, that is tangential acceleration whole square, plus normal acceleration whole square means 4 pi into n. N is given 0.1 into a is given 0.50 whole square. Simply solve this and you can get the final answer as approximately 0.8 meter per second square. Okay, so this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next video. Bye.